New at 11, a once popular Orlando law firm is now under investigation.
Clients say they paid thousands of dollars for services and claim phone calls and emails were not returned. Investigative reporter Erica Washington is on the case.
The law firm used to be called KEL. It has been rebranded and is now called Lawyers ASAP. It is owned by one attorney, and I've spoken to over a dozen clients, and they all say the same thing. They feel they were ripped off.
When hiring an attorney, ask yourself, do they offer all these services? KEL does.
You may remember one of these commercials encouraging people to contact KEL for help with foreclosure or bankruptcy. Jerry Reeves tells me that's why he called Lawyers ASAP, formerly KEL.
So I thought maybe, okay, these guys look like they're pretty good.
This past February, Jerry paid over $2,000 for a bankruptcy case. He said months went by and no word on his case.
I've been calling them, getting the runaround, no answers. No answers.
Ann Mateo says same thing happened to her.
Phone calls were never returned. There was like a million red flags, and I am just so disappointed.
We checked online for reviews, and one client after another warned of their experience. Comments like terrible waste of time and money to they will take your money and run. The Attorney General's office received 35 complaints about KEL and Lawyers ASAP since January 2015. Those complaints were forwarded to the Florida Bar for review. Now, the Florida Bar confirmed Florida Bar is investigating complaints against attorney Matthew Shane Englert of Lawyers ASAP for lack of communication with clients. This isn't the first time Florida Bar has looked into Englert. In 2010, he received admonishment for violating advertising rules. In 2014, he was publicly reprimanded for violating communication with clients. Attorney Englert declined our request for an interview, but sent me this statement in part. It says, since 2010, our firm has represented over 50,000 clients. The vast majority of them are satisfied clients. Professor Maritza Reyes teaches professional responsibility at FAMU Law School.
I'm not speaking about a particular case, but in regards to communication, there's a specific rule that lawyers who are licensed by the Florida Bar have to abide by. When a client calls you, return the phone call. Even send a text.
According to Florida Bar, the major reason for client complaints is communication.
So now clients can send emails at all times of the day and night, they can call. And I think that sometimes it's very overwhelming for attorneys.
Meanwhile, Jerry is still waiting on a $700 refund. And Ann, well, she has a message for Englert.
You're an attorney. I went to you for help. And this is the thanks I get.
Now, if you are not happy with your attorney, you can report them to the Florida Bar and file a complaint with the Attorney Consumer Assistance Program, or ACAP. Now, we've also placed Lawyers ASAP full statement on our website. Erica Washington, News 6.